tiny beads packed with cancer-killing cells may finally provide a cure for mesothelioma, one of the most aggressive forms of lung cancer. And there's more to this treatment as well. Hi there, I'm the Study Finds guy, Jeff Allen, and this is the latest from Study Finds. So please be sure to like and subscribe to get all of our latest updates. Researchers from Rice University and the Baylor College of Medicine say they can implant what they call a cytokine drug factory into patients through a minimally invasive surgery. In the new study, the team reports that combining the drug-producing beads with a standard checkpoint inhibitor drug completely destroyed mesothelioma tumors in a group of lab mice. Even without the checkpoint inhibitor, the new drug factory was able to eradicate tumors in over half of the animals on its own. Without getting too technical, that checkpoint inhibitor trains the immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells. A little more on that later. Researchers say these beads are smaller than the head of a pin. After doctors implant them next to a cancerous tumor, the beads continuously produce high doses of interleukin-2 or IL-2, a natural substance that activates white blood cells to fight cancer. The drug factory's success in fighting mesothelioma is the latest victory using this cancer-killing platform invented by the lab of Rice bioengineer Omid Vissay. Vissay notes that pairing the bead implants with an anti-PD-1 checkpoint inhibitor may also help the body's memory T cells learn to fight mesothelioma if the disease ever returns. That's pretty cool. And what's more exciting is the FDA has given its approval to begin clinical trials of the technology in ovarian cancer patients starting this fall.
Ovarian cancer is very puzzling because it's so deadly. About 70% of the patients that develop ovarian cancer will have recurrence, and recurrence is almost fatal. One of the challenges is people are diagnosed pretty late stage, which means there's already cancer all over the IP space. Then the other challenge with it is that the nature of the cancer is it kind of creates a lot of fluid around it and puts a lot of pressure in kind of your stomach area. And so getting drugs there is really difficult.
The tiny cytokine factories consist of alginate beads, which scientists load with tens of thousands of cells genetically engineered to produce the IL-2. This particular substance is one of the 2 FDA-approved cytokines for cancer treatment. For treating mesothelioma, the team placed the beads inside a thin layer of tissue called the pleura. The tissue covers the lungs and lines the interior chest wall. Mesothelioma includes any cancer that forms in the tissue linings which surround the internal organs. However, it's strongly associated with lung cancer, and roughly 80% of all mesothelioma cases have a connection to prolonged exposure to asbestos. You can check out more info on this and other studies by clicking the link in the description below and head on over to studyfinds.com.